Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your story in TikTok in 2024. So let's get started. So here we are in TikTok, and then from here, what we're gonna do is we're simply gonna add a story right here first, so that we have something to test on. So let's say this one, I want to add it. So I'm gonna go tap next and tap on your story, and then just like that, it should now be on my story. So let's see right here, and now it's currently uploading. And now what I have to do is that I want to tap on my story right here. As you can see, it is right here, but you cannot see any delete button right here or any other options, but your only option would be to swipe from the bottom right here to upward right there. Oops, let me try again. So you want to swipe upward right there to see the views that you have here on your TikTok story, and then you'd be able to see the trash can at the top left right here. So you want to tap on that, and then you can now delete this story when you tap on delete. So you want to tap delete again right there, and now it should be all gone just like so. And now when you go and tap your story or your profile again, you won't have it anymore. So yeah, that is basically how easy it is on how you can remove your story here in TikTok. So you can also do this in any other device. It's basically the same process as long as you have the same UI. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.